Greetings everybody and welcome back to the Austin Lindsay Channel. Today we are shooting this spooky styled out set. So this set is more of a showcase type set. That's why there's just a blank wall and there's no like walls or windows or anything around. We're just shooting from straight on here, showing just some items that are for sale. So this first light right here is our key light. That's just a Profoto with a bare bulb or flat bulb as they come with. And it's just shining light down on here. Right next to it I have one of these light cutting filters. I can't think of the name of it right now, but I'll put it in the video if I find it out. What this is doing is it's cutting some light from the back wall so it doesn't have this big old bright ball of light on here. And then next to it I have this light in the front providing fill on the same light as the sun. This light here is a little bit more powerful than this light over here, which is the third light, providing fill from the other side, filling up the other side of the frame. And then I have this other V-flat right here. This is just kind of offering some fill from the camera right side of the frame because I felt it was a little bit too dark back here. And those are our three lights for this style out. You may see this light here in the back, but I'm not using it. I thought I could use it as a little bit of a rim light on this little Decor, but I didn't end up liking it so much, so it's switched off. And then clear back here, we have our camera set up. And this is a Canon 5D Mark IV. I have the 24 to 70 lens on here, parked around, 50 millimeters. And this is the camera's view. Okay, we're doing this second style out. This has these inflatable balloons or lawn decor. And the lighting setup is pretty much the same. The only real difference is this one in the back, lighting up this Jack Skellington. The head of this thing lights up, but it's too dim to see in camera. So I put this light behind here, and it's another Profoto. This has a 7-inch reflector, the standard reflector, and it has a 5-degree grid. And what it's doing is it's shining onto the back of this little guy because it lights up, and then that way it shows that it's more lit up in the image.